Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 3. Give 25 negative sentences in the present tense. Subject plus do not slash does not plus verb, base form, plus object. Examples. I do not eat junk food. She does not play football. We do not watch TV every day. Answer. 25 negative sentences in the present tense. I do not eat junk food. She does not play football. We do not watch TV every day. He does not go to school by bus. They do not like spicy food. You do not study in the evening. I do not drink coffee in the morning. She does not work on weekends. We do not visit the park daily. He does not read novels. They do not attend online classes. You do not help with household chores. I do not sing songs. She does not cook dinner. We do not play video games. He does not exercise in the morning. They do not clean their rooms. You do not listen to music while studying. I do not write letters anymore. She does not wear formal clothes. We do not travel by train. He does not speak English fluently. They do not enjoy watching movies. You do not like rainy weather. I do not forget my homework. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.